Is that new learner wants to know about cloud computing? All right. Well, that's something I can probably help him out with. Hey there, friends. I heard you were interested in cloud computing certification. Is that true? I heard that you were interested in Amazon Web Services. Is that true as well? Because, hey, I think you're in the right place. Those are things that I am very much interested in. And so in the next couple of videos here, we're going to be spending some time really understanding what it is that we're about to jump into here. Why cloud computing is so important to the industry, why AWS is so important to the cloud computing world at large, and then, of course, how does the solutions architect role and then, of course, the AWS exams that go along with and support that role fit into the larger picture of information technology. Because in the end, one of the things that I love about cloud computing and love about Amazon Web Services is that I don't really have to pick one facet of technology to get into. If I want to get into analytics, great, cloud offers me a chance to do that as well. If I want to get into networking, traffic delivery, software development, automation, IoT, enterprise resource planning, whatever it is that you're interested in within the IT world, cloud computing and Amazon Web Services offers us something interesting to help shortcut the process of getting there, improve the value proposition, or maybe alleviate technical hurdles that we might have between us and the goals that we're trying to accomplish. And so in general, when I start getting excited about cloud computing, which doesn't take a whole lot, you just bring it up and I'll start going off about something on it. For me, the biggest thing about it is that it's not a single slice of the pie. Instead, it's kind of the entire pie. Often I call it an umbrella service because so many pieces of information technology fall underneath of and are affected by cloud computing. So this means that rather than thinking of it as a single industry, I kind of tend to think of it as more of like a crossroads where you imagine coming to this intersection, and that is exactly where cloud is, because I could take a left and go down one direction, turn around and go the other way. And you better believe that as a solutions architect, especially when we get into large enterprise solutions architecting, it's a many-faceted type of industry as well. That means that one day I might be working with a small organization, helping them migrate their CRM systems. Another day I might be working with the software engineering team who's building the next real-time video game that's out there. And of course, the characteristics of the teams, the requirements of their solutions, and the tools that they're using are all going to be wildly different. So this means, frankly, in the world of cloud computing, Bart almost never gets bored. And if you're like me and you love to learn and you have a passion for continuing to grow and help people, then cloud computing offers you a really exciting opportunity. And in particular, the solutions architect piece is really possibly the most people-oriented of all of the roles. And so stick around. In the next couple of lessons, we're going to be digging into the larger discussion of how this cloud computing world ticks, why it's important to us, what AWS is helping us do, and of course, where the solutions architect exam fits in the grand paradigm of things. Stick around.